Hi there, students. Jumpy. Okay, jumpy is an adjective, and it comes from the verb to jump, to jump. But if somebody's jumpy, it means they're nervous, they're worried. So the investors are very jumpy about the future of the economy. Yeah. If you drink a lot of coffee, then you'll find you're a bit jumpy. And the reason is, you see somebody who's nervous, they hear the slightest noise and they jump. And that's why we get this word jumpy. Yeah. So somebody that's jumpy, they're rather nervous. Yeah. They're frightened. They're guilty. Yeah. I think some people, when they're alone at night, they feel rather jumpy. They're rather jittery or uptight. So there's no need to be so jumpy. Yeah, just calm down. Don't be so edgy. Yeah, I'm somebody who's on edge. They're jumpy. Yeah, they're nervous. I guess you could also use jumpy to mean somebody or something that jumps a lot. So your frog is very jumpy today. It jumps a lot. I guess that works. Or maybe this road is very jumpy because there are lots of bumps. But I think more normally jumpy, we use this to mean nervous and worried about something. Yeah. He sounded rather jumpily. Yeah. He sounded rather jumpy, not jumpily. Yeah, I was thinking of using jumpily. Okay, the stock market reacted jumpily to the latest announcement from the Chancellor of the Exchequer. Yeah, the jumpiness of markets is due to instability, and everybody's a bit nervous or apprehensive. Yeah, so if you're jumpy, you're easily startled, easily surprised. Yeah, he's one of the jumpiest people I've ever met. Okay, so jumpy, nervous, anxious, tense, maybe neurotic, agitated, jittery. I like this word, jittery. Or they're on edge. They're very twitchy. Yeah, they're a bit antsy. It's like they're worried. Yeah, so this is the opposite of being calm, composed, and laid back. I think generally, as a person, you might describe me as rather jumpy. Yeah, I hear a loud noise and it makes me jump. Okay, so jumpy, it just means you're nervous. Let's see, formality. I think I would give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, definitely. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, maybe, but certainly no more. And then, as I said at the beginning, it comes from jump, yeah, which comes from Proto-Germanic gembana or gempana, to jump, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European gemp, meaning to hop or to spring, yeah. But also, I think this word, it's a bit onomatopoeic, jump, boing. Yeah, and I think that's why. So, come on, calm down. Don't be so jumpy. There's nothing to be jumpy about. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Jumpy.